Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. I've got a quick idea for you for a refreshing drink on a warm day. Now when I say drink, I don't mean alcoholic. I mean just a refreshing beverage for anybody of all ages. If you have a little extra apple juice or even other types of fruit juice on hand, but I've done this with apple juice. And if you have some extra and you don't feel like you're going to be able to consume it fast enough, pour it into some ice cube trays. Put it in the freezer and freeze it. It'll take a while to freeze completely. Once it's frozen, transfer the cubes into a freezer bag or an airtight container, whatever you've got. They may be a little hard to remove from the ice cube tray, so run some warm water on the bottom of them if you need to, and then they'll loosen up and transfer into a bag, and then just put them in the freezer until you're ready. And then all you need to do is get a glass of water and put however many of ice cubes you want in that water. It could even be one, or you could fill it up, whatever you want. And it will sweeten that water just a little bit and help to give you a boost of energy, and will make that glass of water go down easily, and it'll be very refreshing on a warm summer day. I do hope this helps you out. Give it a try. Bye for now.